some room? I think he deserves to get a drink.
Sarap ng panalo. 5 baso ng tubig.
Alright, we got a little technicality here. It's Mario Maglinaw. Mario Maglinaw.
Congratulations to Mario.
Mario Maglinaw. From a runner's circle. Congratulations.
Can we have him on stage?
You guys are Rosany's last man running. Mario Maglinaw from a runner's circle.
Galing mo talaga, Idol eh. Galing talaga, ha? Grabe, daming pinatumba mo. Ayos.